morning, Columbine! It is Friday. You guys have made it through our second full week of school, and you guys are just crushing it. You're crushing it. We are off to an amazing start to this school year. I am so proud of you guys. I'm so thankful. When I go in and out of classrooms, when I'm in the hallways at lunch, you guys are just crushing it. What a great group we have, and it's really the best, and I'm just so thankful for you, and let's just keep going. It's going to be a great school year, and you know what? You know the word this year. The word is self-discipline. Self-discipline. Although you guys are doing great, we can always get better, and here's some ways that we can get better, all right? Or make sure that we're maximizing our abilities. First of all, pride time. Pride time. Maximize that time. Self-discipline. Make sure that you go to pride time. If you have a question of a teacher, if you miss a lab, if you need to make up some work, if you just are not flat out understanding, that is a time to go and see your teacher. Make sure you use that time. And you know what? If you're all set, you don't have any questions, you're all made up, whatever, use that time to get your homework done. Study, work with a partner, whatever, but utilize that time. We have the library, the commons, cubbies. We have lots of quiet areas around the school to just sit, get your work done. You can always check in with a teacher to say, hey, I just need a quiet place to work. Could I work in your classroom? I'm sure they'll say yes. Pride time, so important. Make the most of it. Parking, guys, parking. Okay, parking, you cannot park by the pickleball courts. Don't park in the pickleball courts or over in Clement Park. You know where to park over in Clement Park, over by the splash court. Can't park over there either. You're gonna get ticketed, guys. No one wants to ticket you, but you're going to. And guys, remember, Clement Park is really part of our school. Let's take care of it just like you take care of our school. So don't leave trash over there. If you see trash laying around, pick it up, throw it away. Take care of the parking lot over there. That's really important, guys. Please keep that in mind. We still have construction going on out front. I know it's a hassle out there, but give yourself plenty of time. School opens as early as 7:15. Make sure you're here early enough so you make your first class on time. All right? Keep up on your schoolwork, which I think you guys are doing a great job of. Phones at lunch. You guys are doing a great job of phones in the classroom. Phones at lunch, guys, put those phones away. Remember, self-discipline. Have verbal communication time. Put the phone away, all right? And just talk. Be in the moment with your friends and classmates, all right? And talking about trash outside. If you are eating outside, outside the library, out on the patio, make sure you clean up after yourself. No one should have to clean up after you. You guys are doing a good job in the commons. Make sure you do a good job outside. Remember to bring your student ID. Student ID every day. You need that student ID to get in the school. Whenever you show up to school, you need to show that ID. So be ready for that. But and honestly, guys, you guys are doing such a great job with this. Take care of each other. We have a lot of new kids this year, and we always do. And make sure you guys know, as a family, it's what we do here. We take care of one another. Make sure you reach out to other people, get to know other people, get to know the people in your classes. That is really important. Not only will you make those people you're talking to or getting to know feel good about being here, you know what? You really get to feel good too. I think I've told you guys before, the most rewarding thing in life to me is relationships. Relationships. Take care of others, take care of others, take care of others. That's what we do here. That's what we're all about. That's what Columbine is all about. All right, guys, I think I've covered everything I want to cover. So I got time for jokes. Your favorite part of the Christy 60. And I got some good ones today. So first of all, not only are they funny, but they're also, they get the brain going. They really get you thinking. Which state is the smartest in the U.S.? Which state is the smartest in the United States? Answer: Alabama. And here's why. Here's why Alabama is the smartest state. It has 4 A's and 1 B. 4 A's and 1 B makes it the smartest state in the United States. Joke number 2. How do cows entertain themselves? Should get this one's pretty simple. We go to the movies. They go to the movies. All right, pretty simple one. Should have gotten that one. But guys, I gotta go back to what I said at the beginning. So thankful for you, so proud of you. And you guys are working so hard. I'm giving you Monday off. Monday, you don't have to come to school. We'll see you Tuesday because I'm giving you an extra day this week to rest up, rejuvenate, doing amazing. But guys, again, love you guys. Thankful for you. Thank you for being a part of our Columbine family. Most importantly, thank you for making Columbine what it is, which is the best school on the planet. Have a great weekend, Rebels.